I just finished that book. I'm a speed reader. Misconceptions about speed reading. Speed reading is a set of good practice that you do before, while, and after reading the book. Now, for example, it can include reading the table of content to better understand what the book is about, asking yourself some questions to better understand your needs before reading the book, and so on. Now, of course, you have some reading techniques that you can apply during your reading. So, for example, reading group of words at the same time. Let me explain. For example, when you have one word, you're not reading the letters one by one. You're reading the letters together, and it makes sense. Same thing. When you speed read, you're not reading words one by one. You're taking maybe 3 words together and you read them, and it makes sense. Now, of course, it requires practice. People think that speed reading is a magic pill. No, your brain is a muscle. It needs to understand that new way of reading. Now, if you want me to share more about speed reading, just leave a comment and maybe I'm going to do more videos about it. Follow for more tips on learning techniques, productivity, focus, and discipline.